How to download and install RedNote app. So let's get started. For iOS devices, open the App Store icon from your home screen, and from the Android device, open Google Play Store, that is Play Store icon from your home screen. Now, once you are in the App Store or Google Play Store, all you have to do is in the search address bar, search for the RedNote. Simply type down RedNote or Chingin, the app's original name, and you will get this app. Now look at the app in the search results and tap the download icon to install it. Same goes for the Android devices. Enter RedNote or Chingin in the search address bar and find the app in the results app and install to begin downloading. After installation, open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You can also get the desktop access web version by simply going to the rednote.com in the web browser. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.